So far we've talked about fluids. Get to see that liquids and gases make up fluids because they flow from one place to another. We've also talked about the atmosphere. Get to see that the atmosphere is a deep ocean of air which surrounds the earth. It extends into space, but most of the air is found in about 10 kilometers above the earth's surface. We've also seen that at sea level, the atmospheric pressure being exerted on us is 1 million pascals. We are not crushed because we are able to match that amount of pressure internally. Next is the instrument used to measure pressure. When I want to measure temperature, I'll go for the thermometer. When I want to measure time, I'll go for the stopwatch. Now, when I want to measure atmospheric pressure, I wouldn't go for any of those two I've mentioned earlier, but I'll go for this instrument called the barometer. The barometer is the instrument used to measure pressure. Now, it has a long narrow tube which is filled with nothing. That glass tube is a vacuum, so there's nothing in there. It also has mercury as its liquid. Remember, water is not used for these things because water wears glass. Water would adhere to the glass. The water particle molecules will adhere to the glass, so we will not get accurate readings. But with the mercury, it sticks together. It is more cohesive than being adhesive, so it does not stick to the container, but it sticks to itself. Now let's see how this measures its pressure. The atmospheric pressure will push on this mercury. Once the atmospheric pressure pushes on this mercury, it causes the mercury in the glass tube to rise. The pressure of the atmosphere pushes on the mercury, which causes the mercury in the glass tube to rise. That mercury is rising without resistance. It is rising without resistance because over there, inside the glass is a vacuum, so nothing prevents the mercury from rising. Once the atmospheric pressure pushes the mercury, it rises in the tube, and then whatever reading we have here will be used as our pressure reading. It will be used as our pressure reading. At sea level, the mercury level rises to 760 millimeters. At sea level, the mercury level rises to 760 millimeters in the glass tube. As you move higher, it is going to move down. As you move lower, the mercury level will rise.